Now, the question before us is, a hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Now, what is given to us? We have been given inner radius of bowl. What is the same? It is 5 centimeter. That is inner radius from this point to this point has been given. So now what is 0.25 centimeter? This is the this part. This part. This is 5 and this part is 0.25. So now what we have to next find out? We have to find out the outer radius, because we have to finally calculate the outer curved surface area, and the outer curved surface area can be calculated only with the help of outer radius. So the outer radius of bowl is equal to inner radius plus thickness of bowl. What is inner radius? It is 5 centimeter. What is the thickness? 0.25 centimeter. So now what is the outer radius? It is 5.25 centimeter. So far we have calculated only the outer radius. So now what is the outer curved surface area of bowl? We know that the curved surface area of the bowl can be calculated by the formula 2 pi r square. This is the round shape and we have to calculate this area. 2 pi r square. Now we have to use here outer radius, because we have to calculate outer curved surface area. So the radius of the this point to this point, outer point, will be taken into consideration. We will fill in the relevant values. In case of pi, we will substitute it by 22/7. Now what is the radius? It is the outer radius, 5.25, 5.25. So now what will be before us, and we will ultimately arrive at, when we solve it, 173.25 square centimeter. Here what we have done, we were given inner radius and the thickness of the bowl. From that we calculated the outer radius, and after arriving at the outer radius, we used the formula 2 pi r square to calculate the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.